Hey guys, it's Sandra from Inspired Keys, and in today's video I'm going to talk about what you can do to move from a normal worship keyboardist to a spirit-inspired worship keyboardist, and that is to be able to play what you hear in your head. Firstly, I think everybody in the world should be able to hear something in their head, because usually it might translate into the very next thing you say. You think of it first and then you say it. As a worship keyboardist, I think there's a lot of avenue for us to hear what's in our head and sort of just create new layers and invent a new riff, or even just to play like melodically when you're just playing chords. So I do have a play-by-ear course that you can watch for free at the link below. The best way to apply it is, like, for example, you're playing a song, let's say it's in the key of C, and then you don't know what to play next. So you can sort of just consult just your mind and just ask what it is that you are hearing next in your mind. Is the next chord going to be 1? Going to be 1B? Going to be 5? Just hear it. Maybe for me now it's 5. I can hear it. And maybe the next thing I can hear in my mind is dun, dun, dun. So then you want to be able to just know what those notes are. Maybe the next thing I hear in my mind is da 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 dum. So it will be. So whatever it is that a person plays, it's not by accident. It's not like, oh, he or she's a freak and yeah, they just know what to play next. We actually have to think of it in our mind, hear it. And I spent hours just doodling on my keyboard, being able to play by ear like this. And right now it just comes at an instant, but you can too. So if you want to just move from just being an ordinary worship keyboardist to someone who can really be led by the Spirit, then be sure to just learn how to play by ear. So if you want to learn how to play by ear, click the link below to a video series. It's totally free. Enjoy, and I hope that helps you. Thanks so much for watching this video. If it helped you, be sure to help the video rank higher on YouTube by liking, subscribing to the Inspired Keys YouTube channel, as well as to share it on social media or by word of mouth. Leave a comment below to let me know what you want to watch next and whether this video was helpful or whether you've applied it and it works. And finally, if you want to fast track your worship keys playing, the Inspired Keys Academy is for you. It's got lots of video lessons that you can watch at your own time. You can upload a videos of yourself and get critique from your playing, and you can even ask unique questions that you have encountered so that you can learn faster and become a confident and skillful worship keyboardist. So if you're interested in that, be sure to check out the Inspired Keys Academy by going to inspiredkeys.com/join. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless and happy playing!